Let's discuss regarding Armed Forces Special Power Act. AFSPA, Armed Forces Special Power Act. Why it is there in the news? I am going to tell you now. So when I say Armed Forces Special Power Act, it's an act that came into the picture in the year 1958, and it's an act that was made by the Parliament of India. Now, the name itself is indicating we are giving special powers to armed forces. Basically, what happens if you look at India, there are so many states, and police is a part of a state list. In the sense, if there are any disturbances within the state, that must be controlled by the state government itself. But sometimes some areas will become disturbed areas, and the state government will fail to control the situation which is existing. At that particular time, a state may request the central government, and central government may deploy its forces to restore the normalcy back in that particular area, and that area is called disturbed area. In order to give powers to our armed forces, AFSPA Act has been passed in the year 1958, and it has been imposed in various states in northeastern part of India and also in Jammu and Kashmir. And there is so much of criticism against this particular act, that this act is violating the peace among the people, because the armed forces, they cannot be punished under any law if they are involved in any particular violation of any law. That is the reason why there is so much of demand in the country, that this particular law has to be abolished. Regarding that, I have information, and I would like to show you that information. Look at this now. Yes. In which year Armed Forces Special Powers Act was enacted? Just now I told you 1956, 1958, 1960 or 1962, and the correct answer is option B, 1958. Look at this. The Ministry of Home Affairs recently declared Nagaland as disturbed area for the next 6 months. Under which act? Under AFSPA Act, that is called Armed Forces Special Powers Act.